वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल लर्न लेसन विद ईशा। अस्सलाम वालेकुम बच्चों, आई होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग वेल। टुडे वीडियो टॉपिक इज जनरल नॉलेज क्विज अबाउट सोशल स्टडीज। व्हाट इज द कैपिटल सिटी ऑफ पाकिस्तान? इस्लामाबाद। Which river is often referred to as the lifeline of Pakistan? Indus River. What is the national language of Pakistan? Urdu. Which mountain range covers the northern border of Pakistan? Himalayas. What is the name of the famous desert located in southeastern Pakistan? Thar Desert. Which historic city in Pakistan is known for its ancient ruins and the famous Mohenjo-daro archaeological site? Karachi. What is the national sport of Pakistan? Field hockey. Which sea borders the southern coastline of Pakistan? Arabian Sea. What are the two main rivers that flow through the Punjab province of Pakistan? River Indus and River Jhelum. What is the name of the famous fort in Lahore, Pakistan? Lahore Fort. Thanks for watching. Stay connected with us for more videos and don't forget to subscribe.